In the pig dissection, you're going to cut around the umbilicus, probably with a pair of scissors, and then you're going to cut through the abdomen, thorax, and into the neck area. In the neck, you'll be exposing the trachea. Cut in front of the back legs, and then also cut kind of behind the front legs ish, kind of this way, and then cut these side flaps out for me. If you can lift those side flaps out right there, then it will expose the intestines and you'll be able to see the lower abdominal area very nicely. Remember to goggle up, glove up, open your dissection manual before you get started. Always cut away from you, not toward another person. Always be able to see where you are cutting. Be respectful. 2 to 3 people per cat or pig dissection. We're talking about the pig dissection. At the end, the tissue goes into the red plastic lined containers. It may vary in your lab. Check with your teacher or teacher assistant. Clean trays and equipment after. I have soap and vinegar solution for that. I use scrubbers to remove fat. Don't use your gloved hands to clean blades, please. Do not do that. Scrubbers only. Please return the equipment to the original area. Clean your work area and wash your hands before leaving.